Hello, and welcome to our How to video. Today we will show you the installation of the MeterExtension number 1 on a meter with a local M-bus interface. For meters with different standards like P1, it works exactly the same way. Watch this video and enjoy. Take the MeterExtension out of the box and insert the connector into the local port, provided by the smart meter. Just click it in and you are done. To verify the correct connection, have a look at the LED of the MeterExtension. If this turned to red, it means the installation was successful. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have further questions, drop us a message here or contact us via our home page. We are looking forward to showing you our next how-to video.